aze ashuba amagame bafethu, aze ashuba ibuyile iBetway Premiership bafethu. Nawo ama-result bafethu anamhlanje laphana ku-Betway Premiership. La iMamelodi Sundowns shuthi icasule kakhulu bafethu lento yenziwe i-Arrows. Yathi uma ibona amaZulu yathi hayi omakhelwane laba yavele yathanqaza yona nje amaZulu bafethu, yavele yanyanya wona nje amaZulu bafethu, yavele yajikijela 5. Nayi Mamelodi Sundowns laphana bafethu ishaya amaZulu ngo-5-2. Hayi isikole esingaka bafethu. Uzwani uyakhala la ikhona bafethu, uyakhala la ikhona. UNgwenya ukorile-ke futhi naye kumaZulu bafethu, uyathembisa lo mfana kule season. Then laphana bafethu Princess Magogo back to default mode. Laphana-ke bafethu kube u-2-2 i-Kaizer Chiefs versus i-Richards Bay. La siyibona i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ibuya ngemumva kabili. Siyakhumbula ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs yayiluza igame yayo ya-away against i-Richards Bay. So this is actually a great result ukuthi ifike la i-KZN ibuyele emuva bafethu nama-point. It was igame nje be-entertaining nayo bafethu, noma-ke bekunemvula nje iground eyenza ukuthi kungadlaleki kahle groundini, but yona igame ibe-entertainer. And labafana be-Kaizer Chiefs abayihlanganisa lapha esiswini uNdlovu benomabhuwa bayadeserve bafethu ukuthola more chance. Yazi ukuthi ikhona into abayihlanganisayo. Novilakazi futhi was impressed bafethu ngegame ayidlalile. Then laphana bafethu iGolden Arrows ishaya igoli lokuqala kwi-league this season. Shaya igoli lokuqala phela i-Arrows bisakora ku-M10-8, kore against i-Chiefs, yakora against i-Sundowns, but-ke namhlanje lishayile-ke igoli lokuqala ngoba ibinama-draw awu-3 kanini i-Arrows bafethu. 3 games 3 draws anini, ayikaconcede and bingakakori njengoba-ke sikorile-ke futhi bafethu. But siyazi-ke vele ukuthi uDion ulishayile-ke bafethu, uDion laphana yawina ishaya iStellenbosch. Then lapha bafethu Old Peter Mokaba, hayi le Milford bafethu mina ngasho kodwa ngathi liyabona le Milford bafethu isazohlupha kule season. Le Milford namanje ngisawaphinda amagama ami, ezohlupha le Milford. Ibuye nepoint laphana bafethu against iPolokwane City. iMilford-ke kushuthi kumagame awu-4 njengamanje idliwe igame eyodwa, idliwe i-Orlando Pirates, yawina 2 games njengoba isiphinde idraw enye, kushuthi ina 7 points. So angiyiboni ehlathini le Milford bafethu. Hayi bafethu abemnandi amagame bafethu. What was your favorite moment bafethu nje khona namhlanje? Mina my favorite moment bafethu ayi-celebration yaLeon. Hayi umbayimbayi hayi kushubile bafethu, buyile iBetway Premiership.